topic is Maharishi Debendranath Tagore. After the death of Ram Mohan Roy, Maharishi Debendranath Tagore is the father of Rabindranath Tagore. So he carried on the work. He laid on four principles of faith. Debendranath Tagore laid four principles of faith. So first 2 points explaining about God. In the beginning, there was nothing. The only one supreme God created the universe. He alone is the God of truth, infinite wisdom, goodness, and power, eternal, omnipresent. Omnipresent means found everywhere the same time. Third point about salvation. Our salvation depends on belief in Him and His worship in this world and the next. Fourth point about belief. Belief consisting in loving Him, doing His will. So after the death of Ram Mohan Roy, Debendranath Tagore carried the work. Next is heading. Keshav Chandra Sen and Brahma Samaj of India. Debendranath was a moderate reformer, but his younger colleague Keshav Chandra Sen joined the movement in 1857, but in 1866 he left the Brahma Samaj and founded new organization called Debendranath Organization. Thereafter came to be known as Adi Brahmo Samaj. So Debendranath organization called as Adi Brahmo Samaj. When Adi Brahmo Samaj opposed child marriage, 14-year-old daughter of Keshav married to an Indian prince. So the member of Adi Brahmo Samaj left Brahma Samaj and they created new Samaj called Sadharan Samaj. When a daughter of Keshav married an Indian prince in the age of 14 years, the member of Adi Brahma Samaj condemned that and they left the Samaj and they created new one called Sadharan Samaj. Next topic is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Another outstanding reformer in Bengal was Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. While Ram Mohan Roy and others followed Western ideas to bring changes in the society, but Vidyasagar followed Hindu scriptures and he argued that Hindu scriptures were progressive. He provided evidence from scriptures that there was no sanction for burning of widows. So this point explaining about sati, or for the prohibition on the remarriage of widows. He wrote a number of polemical tracts and was the pioneer of modern Bengali prose. He advocated education of girls and helped them in setting up a number of schools. He dedicated his whole life for the betterment of child widows of the Hindu society. So, due to the effect of Vidyasagar, Widows Remarriage Reform Act was passed on 1856. So, this act was intended to improve the lot of child widows and save them from perpetual widowhood. Perpetual widowhood means permanent, to save them from permanent widowhood. So this act was introduced to save the child widows. Next topic is Pratana Samaj. Pratana Samaj is similar to the Brahma Samaj, but it was founded in Bombay in 1867. The founder of Pratana Samaj is Dr. Atmarang Pandurang. The two distinguished members of this Samaj were R.C. Bandarkar and Justice Mahadev Govind Rande. So these two devoted themselves to activities such as intercaste dining, intercaste marriage, widow remarriage, and improvement of women and depressed classes. Mahadev Govind Rande was the founder of the Widow Marriage Association, the Pune Sarvajanik Sabha. So he was the founder of Widow Marriage Association, Pune Sarvajanik Sabha, and Deccan Education Society. Next topic is Hindu Revivalism.